Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Photography, the digital photography course. This is what we're going to learn. We're going to learn headshots and portraits and the difference between the two. We're going to learn about group shots, and then we're going to learn about family shots in general and children photography. There's a lot to get through, so let's start now with portraits and headshots. So the difference between the two. A headshot is basically just that. It's a headshot. And you use it for social media, something like LinkedIn. You just have to turn the person. Don't have them shoulders straight on because then it looks like a passport photo. Turn them on to an angle, let's say a 30-degree angle away from camera, and turn back, and a gentle smile. You can use this with natural light, or you can use this with flashlight or lights like these video lights here. That's up to you on how you light it. We'll talk about lighting in a second. But first off, the composition. The composition for a headshot is nice and simple. Get them to turn to one side, turn back and smile. The photo's not for you, it's not for them. The photo is for people looking at them. Okay, so if this is for their business or their social media, it's for people who are looking at them. They may want to be an influencer, so they may be surrounded by something that suggests who they are. Or it could be a plain background, white, grey, black, could be greenery, a tree, a shrub. Get your shot ready. Before I take headshots of anybody, I get everything ready. I get my grey card. I take a shot of my grey card before they're ready. And if not, you get them to hold that under their chin and take a shot. Then you know the colours will be accurate, and that's really important. I also use a light meter. Some photographers go, oh geez, that's old school, what's that? And I go, it's a light meter. And they go, oh, why do you use that? You got one on board in your camera. No, I know, but I can then trigger my flash will fire, and then I look at my light readings and think, oh, okay, well that's accurate, and then I'm ready to go. And then once I've set that and I've done my white balance, I know that they're properly illuminated and the colours are accurate. Sweet. Now all I have to worry about is them. It's composition. In composition, when you're shooting, let's say you can shoot landscape or portrait, it doesn't really matter. But one thing that I suggest, the optimum lens for this is 85mm, but you can use a 50mm. You can use a 35mm. Optimum for me is 85, right? So I'm going to use an 85mm lens, but I'm going to move far enough away back that I want the shoulders in. I want to see all of their arms. And the reason why is in LinkedIn, it's going to become a circle. So you don't want them just to be a head. So if you've done it from inside the shoulder line and you make a circle there, they're basically just a head. No one wants that. They want a bigger circle, right? So put their shoulders in. Make sure their shoulders are in. Nice gentle smile. And then get them to not smile. Some people have bad teeth or whatever. They're paranoid about their teeth. They don't want their teeth. Respect that. Say, okay, you don't need to show your teeth. But get them to grin. Don't let them look forlorn. All right, so the photos are for the people looking at them. They don't want to see some grumpy person. They want to see someone they can deal with and trust, someone who will listen to them, right? And hi, how can I help? That's the sort of attitude that we're looking for here. It's all about attitude here. So nice straight back, like that, or a grin, like that. Tilt the head a little bit. It's up to you to communicate with them. Now turn the other way. That's it. Okay, so if their chin's up, that's called leading by the chin. We don't want to lead by the chin. If you're leading by the chin, it looks like, oh yes, really, is that what you think? Or you can lead by the forehead and it's, oh yes, really, is that what you think? But if you lead by the eyes and you feed your eyes, that's where we want, right? Because the photo's for the people looking at them. So they can tilt the head one way, tilt the head the other way. They should feel comfortable in the position. You don't want to get them in a position where they don't feel comfortable. And then gentle smile. Hi, how can I help? And that's it. Simple. Headshot in the bag. Take a number of shots on both sides. And that's it. That's a headshot. Hit the bell, subscribe and like. So we'll move on now to portraits